Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we are going to be playing Fortnite Battle Royale with my friends Gavin and Killer Koala. So today we are just going to be doing regular squads, no fill. We will probably win not win. We probably go like Pleasant or something. Cause we like going hot drop. Holy lag, bro. This lag is insane. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm lasering Killer Koala. Look at his health bar. Look at that. Oh, look at that health bar. Yeah, Jarvis is usually like 36 ping, and then he's at like our ping, like 140 ping. And he's like, dang, bro, why is it so high right now? Yo, this kid's level 113. Zero. That's hilarious. Yo, I'm landing doghouse. You guys are both landing over there, so I'm gonna land over here too. Um, I got decoys. I can save you guys. Got him! Get out of my game, kid. That ain't it, chief. That ain't it, chief. Yo, there's a kid who literally just. Bet. Bet. Bro! Why you gotta bully me? Yo, who's the. Oh my gosh, bro. Ha. Give me that AR, boy. Oh. Yeah, Gavin. Did you see people like in there? What, Austin? Yeah, somebody lasered me for not really lasered, but they hit me for 25 from over here somewhere. Ah! I knocked one. I'm cracked, bro! Get out of my game. Yo! I literally just got both kills, and I need sniper him, bro. I'm at one. Can I please have the med kit, bro? I'm literally at 25 HP, kid. Bruh! I would have given it to you, bro. I definitely would have given it to you. My grammar, though. Yeah, bro. Get lasered, kid. I'm gonna use a bandy for 5 HP. Okay, kid on you, kid on you. Bet. Where, bro? Watch out, I'm at 13 HP. Yo, can somebody give me sniper ammo? I don't have any. Yo, can somebody give me an AR, some AR ammo? And some shotgun. Yeah, you have 35. Not AR. I'm sorry, not AR. I need sniper ammo. I mean, I do need AR, but I can manage. Wait, no! I can't carry this dude. Oh, no! Bruh! Get that out of my lobby! Oh, crap, I'm dead. Bro, I'm actually so bad. Don't ever play with me again. I'm just actually bad. Yes, I found minis. Gavin, can you please give me some sniper ammo? Yo. Yo, I have 6 shotgun ammo. I don't have any sniper ammo. Please. That's for you, Gavin. This is for you. This is how I feel about you not giving me any sniper ammo. Crying, bro. Oh my gosh. Just actually, Gavin, can you please give me some sniper ammo? Somebody already looted Slurp. Or did Slurp Chuck. Yo, somebody please give me sniper ammo. Oh. I don't have any mats. Bro, I don't have any mats. Will back chat? I didn't have any mats or ammo, Gavin. That's your fault. You probably... He's at 33 shield and 100. Alright, guys. I would end it here, but today's a special day. Today is the day after Easter. So I'm not going to end this video just yet. I'll play one more game for you guys. Just one more little game. I'll see you on the battle bus. So, boys, where are we landing at? I'm guessing we're probably landing at Pleasant, obviously. Wait, Gavin, do you have your mic on? Where are we going? Are we going Frenzy or are we going Pleasant? I bet. We should have went like Hot Drop so we could like pop off, you know? Oh, our teammate just got a blue tack. I just saw that. I think I have a blue pistol. Yeah, I have a blue pistol for my AR. Blue pistol AR. I need to find a shotgun like really badly. Okay, 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 I'm coming. Oh crap. I'm coming. On me? How did this kid have shield already, bro? No way, bro. That ain't it, Chief. Austin, come res me. Austin, come res me. Alright, guys. So you guys don't hear any more raging. That's it for today. Until the next time, peace out.